guys, today I will be showcasing all myself. Oh, sorry.
Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer. I'm crazy, all for the love of you.
Okay, now let's take
I am warning but made by women. I am here to warn you about Daisy Online. Please evacuate this server immediately. Daisy Online will come into this server shortly to ban all of your accounts permanently.
Okay, so if you hear that kind of bot, start leaving the server before Daisy gets you. This is when you walk on wood. Oh, this is Banshee. You don't know who Banshee is. She reads your IP address. So that's when you get tagged.
Emergency broadcast sequence playing 10.98765432199.206.4.56. Hello Gorilla Tag players, I am a ghost sending you a message to help.
I think Bozo69 was reading someone's address. That's a concrete. Diddy when you step into city. Okay.
You wanna hear a song?
No. Okay. I use monkeys to troll people and saying that I have a pet monkey. Alright. Just kidding. And these are the last ones. Last one's kind of scary.
Hello. I got programmed to tell you help is coming. He is a very dangerous hacker, and if you tag him he will find you. If you see him run.
So this guy will find me?
Hold up.
Swirl.
Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Run, rabbit, run, rabbit, run, run, run. Bang, 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 bang goes the farmer's gun. Run, rabbit, run, 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 rabbit, run.
Hey, Gorilla Tag players, it's me, Donald Trump.
That's a ghost.
Warning, warning. There will be an unknown player joining this server in 10 minutes. Please exit this code now or you will be banned for 5 months. You have been warned.
By Voicey.network.
So, Petey is not the first ghost, but is the second ghost. So, Daisy was the third, and Echo was the fourth, I think. Alright, guys, that's the end of this. Bye.